Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Eero router to Starlink. First, take your Eero router and an Ethernet cable. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your Eero router. Then connect the other end to the Ethernet port on your Starlink system. If you have the Gen 2 Starlink router, you will need the official Starlink Ethernet adapter because the router does not include a built-in Ethernet port. Next, power cycle both devices. Unplug the Starlink power supply and your Eero router. Plug the Starlink power supply back in first and wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the dish connects to the internet. Once Starlink is fully online, plug your Eero router back into power and wait for it to start up. Now open the Eero app on your smartphone. Tap Setup or Create a new network, then follow the on-screen instructions. Continue through the setup until the app confirms that your Eero network is ready. For the best experience, enable bypass mode on Starlink. Open the Starlink app, go to Settings, and turn bypass mode on. This helps prevent double NAT issues, which can affect online gaming, port forwarding, and other network features. Once everything is complete, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and make sure your internet connection is working properly. Thanks for watching.